Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add border or visible border to a text box in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet. First I'll insert a new text box. Select this insert option. Now select drawing option and click on this text box icon and draw a text box. This text box border color option. Choose your any text box color and this text box border weight you can increase or decrease. This line is style is so solid and see this border visible. Also you can add fill color if you like. I'll change this border color again. Also you can change, you can add dotted border, this dash border. See this, I'll add this solid border and border color. Yeah, this is. Now select save and close. See this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.